Santa Claus, Santa Claus, Santa Claus country.
It's a sad day for me. I have to pack up all of our craft stuff, so I'm going to dig out a few things and we're going to do one last craft before everything goes away for the move. Are you ready to do a craft?
Yeah, let it go to me. Are we gonna make a bird?
We are going to make some 4th of July blowers. First thing that we need to do is we're going to glue the red paper around our toilet paper roll. So you can pick up the gun. And now I want you to roll it up. The next thing we're gonna do is punch out little stars, and then we'll glue the stars to our round paper rolls. Now push it down. There you go. Ta-da! Now you got a star. Now flip it up, see if you got a star underneath.
Yes, I did. I got one.
Now what we want to do is to glue our white stars to our red paper rolls.
How about you? I got mine. How about you? Watching the video. There. I know. Oh, stop. I wanna go.
Good. Are you ready to glue these?
Yes.
You ready?
Thank you. Okay, Mommy.
Thank you. Now we're going to attach these little streamers to the ends. I am instantly not sure how I feel about this craft.
See these flap, and then it flies because these things flap. That's what we made, rocket birds.
Hey guys, if you haven't already, be sure and hit that subscribe button. And if you like our video, please make sure and hit that like button. Click here to see our previous video